Welcome to our deep dive into how AI is transforming the medical field. From diagnostics to patient care, AI is making a significant impact. Remember back in the 1990s when IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov? That was a watershed moment for artificial intelligence. Today, AI is no longer confined to the realm of games. Let's explore the top ways AI is revolutionizing healthcare. One of the most promising areas where AI is making a real difference is in medical imaging. We're talking about the analysis of X-rays, kinetic scans, MRIs, you name it. Algorithms can now detect subtle patterns that might escape even the most experienced radiologist's eye. Imagine being able to diagnose a brain tumor at its earliest stage, when treatment is most effective. AI is making that possible. And it's not just radiology. AI is also being used to improve the accuracy of pathology reports, which are crucial for diagnosing diseases like cancer. By analyzing biopsies and other tissue samples, AI algorithms can help pathologists identify cancerous cells with greater precision, leading to earlier and more effective treatment. Think about the implications for patients. Earlier diagnosis means a better chance of survival and a better quality of life. That's the power of AI in healthcare.
We're entering a new era of medicine-personalized treatment. No more one-size-fits-all approaches. AI is helping us tailor treatments to each individual patient's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. In oncology, for example, AI algorithms can analyze a patient's tumor DNA to identify the most effective chemotherapy drugs. This is what we call precision medicine, and it's already having a profound impact on cancer care. By targeting treatments more precisely, we can increase the chances of success while minimizing side effects. But it's not just about tailoring treatment, it's also about predicting who's at risk. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, from electronic health records to wearable sensors, to identify individuals who are at high risk of developing certain diseases. This allows us to intervene early and potentially prevent the disease from developing in the first place.
Developing new drugs is a notoriously time-consuming and expensive process, but AI is poised to change that. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze massive data sets of chemical compounds and biological processes, researchers can identify promising drug candidates much faster than ever before. And it's not just about speed. AI is also helping to optimize clinical trials, making them more efficient and cost-effective. By identifying the right patients for each trial and monitoring their progress more closely, AI can help bring new drugs to market faster and at a lower cost. Imagine a future where we can develop new antibiotics to combat antibiotic-resistant bacteria, or new antiviral drugs to tackle pandemics like COVID-19. AI is bringing that future closer.
Imagine having a virtual health assistant available to you 24/7, ready to answer your medical questions, schedule appointments, and even monitor your vital signs. That's the promise of AI-powered virtual health assistants. These intelligent assistants can interact with patients, provide personalized health advice, and even alert healthcare providers in case of an emergency. For people with chronic diseases like diabetes or heart failure, AI is a game changer. Remote patient monitoring systems can track vital signs, medication adherence, and other important data points, allowing healthcare providers to monitor patients' health remotely and intervene proactively when necessary. This not only improves patient outcomes, but also reduces the need for costly hospital visits and improves access to care for people in remote areas.
The healthcare industry is drowning in paperwork. Think about all those administrative tasks that take up so much time and resources: billing, coding, scheduling appointments. Well, AI is here to help. AI-powered systems can automate many of these tasks, freeing up healthcare professionals to spend more time with patients. But it's not just about reducing paperwork. AI can also optimize resource allocation in hospitals, from predicting patient volume to streamlining operating room schedules. This can lead to shorter wait times, more efficient use of resources, and ultimately, lower costs. By streamlining healthcare operations, AI is making healthcare more efficient and affordable for everyone.
Surgery is another area where AI is making a big impact. We are already seeing the rise of robotic-assisted surgery, where surgeons use robotic systems to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and control. But AI is taking things a step further. AI algorithms can analyze medical images before surgery to help surgeons plan the best approach and minimize complications. During surgery, AI can provide real-time guidance to surgeons, helping them navigate complex anatomical structures and avoid critical areas. This level of precision is truly remarkable and has the potential to revolutionize surgery as we know it.
Medical research is all about analyzing vast amounts of data to uncover hidden patterns and insights, and that's where AI excels. AI algorithms can analyze massive data sets of genomic information, clinical trial data, and even medical literature to identify new drug targets, predict disease outbreaks, and develop personalized treatments. In the field of genomics, AI is being used to analyze DNA sequences to identify genetic mutations that contribute to disease. This is leading to a deeper understanding of the genetic basis of diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. AI is also playing a crucial role in the development of new vaccines and therapies. By analyzing data from clinical trials, AI algorithms can identify patterns that predict which patients are most likely to benefit from a particular treatment.
Mental health is just as important as physical health, but it's often stigmatized and underserved. AI has the potential to break down barriers to mental health care by providing accessible and affordable tools for early detection, diagnosis, and treatment. AI-powered apps and platforms can use natural language processing and machine learning to analyze text, voice, and even facial expressions to detect signs of depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions. These tools can provide personalized support, resources, and even connect people with mental health professionals. In a world where access to mental health care is often limited, AI offers a lifeline to millions who might otherwise suffer in silence.
As AI continues to evolve, its integration into medicine promises to further improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and expand access to healthcare. From earlier diagnoses to personalized treatments, AI is transforming the way we prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases. But it's important to remember that AI is not meant to replace healthcare professionals. Rather, it's a powerful tool that can augment their capabilities and help them provide better care. Stay tuned for more updates on the incredible advancements in AI and healthcare. The future of medicine is brighter than ever thanks to the power of artificial intelligence.